This is the place, Sri Ramapuram, which is part of Chakicherla. Okay, so this Sri Ramapuram colonies, Sri Ramapuram colony and somewhat Sangam, East Sangam, these are the colonies, okay, which are part of Chakicherla village under Ulavapadu Mandalam, Prakasam district. So the people are living in these these are given by the colonies, given by the government of, okay. So the people are living in very condition. I have interacted with them. The study levels, I found that. So as a retired army, have kept 30 years of service in the Indian Army. So I have interacted with them, the youth. So I have not found any youth who has completed at least a degree. So most of them, whenever I have interacted with them, they told me that just they have completed 10th, somebody else 5th, 8th, okay. They are going for their profession over the boats to sea to for getting of the fishes. That is their profession. But from my point of view, they need to be so educated, they need to be supported, so they need to get their at least minimum facilities. That is the basic education, and the water, electricity, all the electricity is being provided to them. But apart from that, the education is very important, because of at least if they complete the 10th class, so that by the 10th class they can apply for the forces. So in the armed forces, Air Force, Navy, Army, Air Force, Navy, so many opportunities are there. So many job opportunities are there. And apart from that, they can be part of paramilitary forces. The paramilitary forces, within the paramilitary forces, BSF, CASF, CRPF, ITBP, SSB, SSF. So they can be part of all these forces, paramilitary forces, by the only 10th class. But whenever I have interacted them and I have motivated them, please try to get the qualification and 10th class. They can be apply for open school for getting of 10th class certificate. By the 10th class certificate, they can be eligible to apply for the forces. Okay, so the children mean students. They are at the young age, and some are married at 22, 25 years of age. Okay, after that, myself, what I am feeling that if they are promoted, myself, from my side, I am promoting them. Okay, I have motivated them. Please try to get, at least try to complete your 10th class, and after that, so once you get the certificate, I will support you through my channel, and I will notify you time to time whenever the job opportunities notifications will be released. I will intimate them through my channel. So as I told you that I am conducting the free classes over programming. I am conducting the free classes over programming, that is Java, Python, C, C++, data structures and algorithms. Okay, this boy is going for school. Okay, and as I told you that I am providing the online Zoom class, free classes, Java, Python, C, C++, data structures and algorithms. 30 years service I have kept in the army. After retirement, I am not willing to do any job, because whenever I was in the army, I thought that I will give support to education, okay, up to my last breath of life. And I started to teach all the languages through my channel. almost Java, Python 90% completed. I started to teach C, and recently one boy has requested to me focus for Microsoft Azure, and one boy has requested to take class over SQL. Okay, so now I am Chaki Charla. So I will since 3 or 4 days I am here to interact with these people who are residing in rural areas, remote areas. So whenever I go for Ongole, surely I will focus over Microsoft Azure and SQL. Okay. My intention is what? Not only programming classes, because these programming classes over Python, Java, C, C. These are only related to software engineering. But these students have requested me, whenever I have interacted with them, they told me that, sir, please focus, because I have completed 10th, but I don't have any awareness how to get the job. So can you support with me? So I promised them, surely I will notify you all the job opportunities whenever a job notification is there. So I will upload in my channel under the playlist of job opportunities. So then they can apply for that post. Myself here, youth is not, they don't want to be part of they are not aim based, okay, objective based, purpose based, because due to lack of awareness and nobody is willing to go for the forces, because they don't have much qualifications, and they are not aware of at least by getting a 10th class certificate they can be part of forces, but they are not aware of that. So myself, I have interacted with them, I motivated them to get the certificate of 10th class. At least whenever they get the 10th class certificate, that will be so useful to them, and they can get the part of all the job. At least by 10th class they can be part of forces. So that my main aim is, this is Sangam, East Sangam. This is East Sangam. Okay, within this East Sangam also they will come under ST category, and the jobs they have the relaxation, okay, age relaxation. Here also I found that students, they have not qualified at least degree. All of them, whomever I have interacted, just they completed that their 10th class only. Okay, even though they have completed these East Sangam students also, they are not aware of job opportunities. Okay, just they are feeling that to get a job they need to get high qualifications like BTech, okay, and degree, but they don't know. But I have briefed them, by the qualification of only 10th class you will get the job opportunities. This boy is going on school by the bicycle. Where are you going? ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తున్నావు? ఎక్కడ స్కూల్? ఊర్లోకి వెళ్తున్నావు. ఏం చదువుతున్నా? ఆరా బాగా చదువా? సరే, 10th క్లాస్ చదివి 10th సంపాదించు. 10th సంపాదించి మంచి క్వాలిఫికేషన్ సంపాదించు. ఓకే, this is the Rama's temple here. See how these sheep's calf, this is looking so beautiful calf it is. This very beautiful calf, huh? How it is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. It is so beautiful calf. Okay. ఏం పెద్దనా, ఏం ఎలా ఉన్నారు? పిల్లలు ఏం చదువుతున్నారు?
ఏం చేస్తున్నారు?
ఏంది ఈ పిల్లలు ఇక్కడ ఎదగపోవడానికి కారణం ఏంటి? ఎందుకు పిల్లలు చదివేసి మన ఉద్యోగాలు సంపాదించకుండా? 10 అయినా చదివితే ఉద్యోగాలు వస్తాయి కదా. నేను ఆర్మీలో 30 సంవత్సరాలు చేశాను, 10 మీద వెళ్ళాను. నా సొంత ఊరు ఈ ఊరే. ఇప్పుడు వచ్చాను, మీ పిల్లలందరూ కలుస్తున్నాను. ఇది 18 ఇక్కడ గాలికి తిరిగి మందులు తాగుతూ ఉండే కాడికి
మాకు వచ్చింది.
మీరు అంటే దాన్ని మీరు ఎట్లా కట్టడి చేయగలరు? మీరు గ్రామ పెద్దగా ఊరికి సంబంధించి మీ పిల్లల్ని మీరు కాపాడుకోవాలి కదా. మీరు కట్టడి చేసి వాళ్ళని కూర్చోబెట్టి ఇలాంటివి చేయకూడదు. వీళ్ళు ఎక్కడి నుంచి తెస్తున్నారు, బయట నుంచి తెస్తున్నారా? మీరు మీ పిల్లల్ని మీరు మందుకు దూరం చేసుకోకపోతే వాళ్ళు బలైపోతారు. నేను ఈ ఊరే నాది చాకిచెర్ల. నేను ఇప్పుడు ఒంగోలులో ఉంటున్నాను. ఆర్మీలో 30 సంవత్సరాలు చేశాను. ఇప్పుడు అందరిని కలిసి వస్తున్నాను. నా నంబర్లు ఇచ్చి వచ్చాను. వాళ్ళకి ఉద్యోగాలు 10 మీద కూడా ఉన్నాయి. మంచి మంచి హైట్లు ఉన్నారు. ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఎంత హైట్ ఉన్నారు చూడండి, కానీ ఏం లేదు, ఊళ్ళో తిరుగుతున్నారు. అదే మీ ఆ టైంలో ఉద్యోగాలు ఆర్మీ వాటికి వెళ్ళిపోతే పెద్ద చదువుకుంటే ఇప్పుడు మనకు మినిమం క్వాలిఫికేషను మినిమం 10. మనం మినిమం 10 మీద మనం సంపాదించుకోవచ్చు అనమాట ఉద్యోగం అనేది. మీరు మీ పిల్లలకి ఓకే వాళ్ళని బాగా మనం డెవలప్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. మళ్ళీ మందుకు దూరంగా పెట్టేసి మందుకు దూరంగా పెట్టాలి. వాళ్ళని దూరంగా పెట్టాలంటే మనం వాళ్ళకి చెప్పాలి, మీరు చెప్పుకోవాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఎవరినన్నా పిలవాలి, నాలాంటి వాళ్ళు వచ్చారు, వాళ్ళని 10 అట్లీస్ట్ 10 చదువుకున్నారంటే 10 మీద ఉద్యోగాలు వస్తాయి. ఓకే, నేను చెప్పున్నాను, నంబర్లు ఇచ్చేది నేను వాళ్ళకి. మీరు వాళ్ళందరికీ చెప్పి